guys. Oh, sorry. Hello. Okay, finally we are on our way to the airport. Say hello to everybody. Yay! Mr. Khanal is right there. Yeah! Let's go, let's go, let's go. So we are boarding right now. We are so excited. Like we are so excited that we can't feel the excitement. That's how excited we are. Like we've been planning this vacation for the past like 5 months. Like after I got back from Malaysia, that's when we planned this vacation, and it has just been happening. Whatever. So we are boarding now, and see you in Dubai. We have reached the hotel. Say hi to everybody. Yay. Wow. So pumped. Oh my god, they're going to think कि जबरदस्ती घसीट के प्रारब्ध लेके आई है.
आने का मूड ही नहीं था यार.
जी हाँ.
अच्छा निशान बोल रही है.
जी हाँ. So let's see. Right now we just gonna go like grocery shopping and stuff like that. Just get like normal stuff to hog on in the room, and then let's see how it goes. Bye. So we're walking around. We're looking for places to have dinner. It's our first meal in the UAE, and this is what we chose. Momos.
मैं तो 10 खाता हूँ.
We make smart choices in life. So momos for dinner. Like we're taking baby steps into it. We don't just want to rush into all the Emirati goodness. We're just warming up our appetite. I dropped my phone. Okay, so we had momos and then we thought, you know what, we're in Dubai and we've got to try something that Dubai is famous for. So now we're in this restaurant called China Garden. We came for Chinese food. Judge us. Good morning, you guys. Okay, it's day 2 in Dubai. Hopefully more productive than day 1 was yesterday. We were just exhausted. We got back to the hotel room and we just dozed off. Hello.
Alright, see you.
And all of us like we're going in our pajama shorts to have breakfast because we are starving. Let's go. So it's day 2. We're all shiny, ready to go. This is the vibe. I am wearing the gladiators. This really cool, really breezy kind of a play suit, and my floppy hat. Look at Siddhali. Look at how pretty Siddhali looks. Look at how cute she looks. And then there's Ankita. Hey. And then there's Macho Man. So we're heading out, and as any sensible tourist, the first thing we're trying to do is shop. So we have no money left to get back home. Let's do that. So we took a break from nothing. Anywho, the fun part is that a lot of you guys messaged me when I told you guys I'm coming to Dubai. I seriously, Dubai is my 3rd biggest audience market when I check like my YouTube stats and stuff. But I didn't really expect you guys to be like, oh my god, you're coming to Dubai, let's meet. So when so many, actually I was sold when one person said let's meet. I was like, okay. So a lot of you guys messaged me. And today's Friday, you guys have a holiday and stuff. So and the hotel I'm staying at is very close to a lot of viewers here. So today at 5 PM, I am like kind of having an impromptu meetup in the lobby of my hotel, which I'm very excited about. And I'm gonna take Siddhali with me because you know what she's the star. So we're gonna have the meetup in the lobby. I'm so excited. I'm literally just rambling on Snapchat about this. I'm sure you saw this already, but yeah, we're gonna start shopping now though. Bye. Say hi to YouTube. Yay! Oh, they're in my life. So I've been meaning to buy the Superstars forever, but I don't know. Somehow it's just more expensive in Mumbai. I don't know what the case is, but I got them surprisingly cheaper here. I don't know how. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. So these are the silver Adidas Superstars. Let me reach the room. I'm gonna show them to you. And yeah, oh yes. Alright, so I guess we're done shopping in Terra City Center. It's, oh shit, it's 4:25. Oh, we'll be there in 15 minutes, right? We have to be at the hotel before 5 because that's what I've said. And I think I went a little crazy with the shopping, a little bit, not much. You won't believe I invested money. I shopped at Sephora. Can you? That's not even me. I shopped at Sephora. Can you even believe that? Like I got a mascara which is a little steep for something I wouldn't buy. I went a little crazy. I loved it. Hey guys, so I got to the hotel and we already have, so it's not even 5 yet and we have we already have two lovers. This is Saima. Say hi to Saima. And this is Aishwarya. And this is Aishwarya's baby brother. And we have the fathers here who got them here. Oh, I'm so excited. And Sidali's with me, of course. We have another very cute sister-sister pair. This is Krisha. And this is her younger sister, Simran. And they're lovers. Say hi to Mentally. And her mom's outside, but her mom came. You want to say something to the vlog? Oh my gosh, you guys. So I was so happy, like, oh, okay, 3 people came. Yay, I met them. And now so many turned down. Look at them. Say hi. Hi. Alright, we're going to introduce everybody. Kai, come on. Let's start.
Hi, I'm Nafisa and I study here at the University of Wollongong.
Awesome.
My name is Hani and I'm a lover.
Yay!
Hey, I'm Divya and I'm also studying here at the University of Wollongong.
Awesome.
Coco, their friends.
Hi,
We're
Coco.
all mostly
And she, Coco has been dragged here.
My name is Didanshi. I'm a student in the Unified University.
Awesome.
My name is Simran, same university.
Nice.
And a great fan of yours.
Yay!
I'm Srishti, I'm in school.
She's in school. She's in the 11th grade. So almost out of school. And this is her younger brother, Jayesh. Right? Say hi. Aw, that's okay. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Yay! And Sidali's here. Alright, guys, we have one more lover. This is Smith.
Hello.
And he got me a present from Prague. It's a charms
Yeah,
keychain.
Praha.
Praha. He got me
Say it
a
on the kitchen.
present from Praha. Let me show you. There you go. Yay! Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yay.
Love
Bye.
your vlogs. Love
Thank
your
you so
vlogs.
much. Hey guys, so we got back to the room, and the moment everyone left, that moment I realized that I am exhausted. And we were there for almost 2 hours. Like at 4:45, I met some of you. Like 2 of them had come early, and it's 6:30, and almost like 30 to 15 people came. You guys saw that in the vlog. That was so not expected. Like people drove down from Abu Dhabi. The 4 girls, like Nafisa, I think, and everybody, and Coco, and all of them. They took a bus, then they took the metro, then they walked a lot. They came down from Abu Dhabi as well. Oh my god, that is so cool. Thank you so much for being such a sweetheart, Dubai. You guys are too cool, and yeah, I don't know what the rest of my trip is gonna be, but this has been my favorite part. Now you know. So we shopped. All of that is my stuff, and all of this is their stuff. So we shopped at Zara. I shopped at Sephora and MAC. So the matte mare that I use, I got another one of those. We shopped at Forever 21 at Splash. I got the Adidas Superstars. And yeah. So we're just gonna chill because I'm so tired. All of us are so tired. By the way, we went grocery shopping and we got the coolest cup noodles and the coolest chips. Like these are the taquitos hickory barbecue flavored corn chips. You guys, I'm taking these home.
Yeah, we should do that.
Yeah. Alright, you guys, you cannot see me. Awesome. So we went to the pool. We got back to the hotel room. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. Hey, thank you. And now we are on our way to this restaurant called Ravi, which is a famous Pakistani restaurant that a lot of bloggers have been speaking about. Let's go. Alright, the food's here. This is the spread. We've got 3 kinds of kebabs. We've got keema and we've got naan. I would talk to you, but I have to eat. Bye. Good morning, you guys. Finally, I'm recording. I just speak everything and then I forget to record. Anywho, me and Sidali are coordinating again. Look at that. And you know what the fun part is? We don't even try it. Like, we don't even decide, okay, tu he ghal, me he khale, and let's coordinate. We don't even do that. It's basically just God has its own plan. It just happens. Anyway, we've come down for breakfast and then we'll see what to do. I think we are going to the local souks and going out for some local food and stuff like that because the girls are tempted. So let's see. For now, bye. Alrighty guys, so we are ready to go and look at my eyes. Look at how pretty they look. I'm wearing my new super expensive mascara. I love it. So today I thought of going for a look which has no eyeliner, just long, beautiful, luscious lashes, eyebrows and lips. And the dress I'm wearing is from baveproof.com. My shoes are Forever 21. So yeah, that's the vibe for now. We're going to the local souks and we're going to take a ferry there. And then in the evening we're going to the Dubai Museum, which we're very excited about. So let's go. Hey, we're at the ferry and it just left. We're so excited. Yay. Look at the view though. gosh, you guys. We just... Oops, I burped, sorry. We just did something so fun. So you know how in Sex and the City, they go shopping in a souk and then this man leads them to this really dark and dangerous alley, and then the gateway to fashion heaven opens up and you have all these brands and amazing stuff happening. That's exactly what happened. And I didn't really buy anything because I'm taking it easy now. I bought a lot of like souvenirs and stuff. So yeah, bye. Guys, alright, so we have reached this restaurant which is so beautiful. It's called Al Bayt Al Khadim restaurant and it's beautiful. So the lunch is here. So we've got shawarma. This is a minced kebab. That's shrimp biryani. This is shawarma again.
There's something else.
No, it's majboos. Yeah, it's something like that. So yeah, look at us. All of us are dripping wet. Super hot. It's super hot here. Ayo. So we have come to the Dubai Museum, and it's beautiful. It's the Al Fahidi Fort, and a lot of people suggested that we watch this, and it's nice. It's all about how Dubai was before all of the industrialization and modernization happened. So yeah. So we got back to the hotel room and we are exhausted, and this is like we're just going through all that we shopped today. So I got a lot of, I think all I got was souvenirs, and yeah, I also got a lipstick for myself. I don't know, it's a local brand. It's very pretty. Can you see it? I've not opened it yet. But it's nice. And I got little these thingies for everybody. We were really excited to go somewhere nice for dinner, but we are like so exhausted. I think we are going to stay in and eat cup noodles. So that drawer is filled with cup noodles and chips and stuff like that. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, bye. Guys, okay, it's pretty late and I was just doing some work and now I'm going to go to sleep. Everyone else is asleep next to me. So that's all for day 1 and 2. There's a lot of more vlogs that will come in the coming Tuesday, so wait up for that. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. I will see you guys on Thursday.